Yeah, good morning, friends, and welcome to the session. It's the start of a fresh week. तो देखते हैं मंडे सोमवार के दिन मार्केट का क्या सेटअप है इन द सेंस what prices are showing. Yeah, my camera is a bit hazy today, but it's fine. You can hear me, and I'll just share my screen. Or I'm very happy to announce that we have worked very hard for the last 2 months and released a magazine, the second issue of Trading Titan. This is like as an investor, how can you use technical analysis? You can use it as a trader also. Yeah, good morning, everybody. So there's the link. Make sure you read it, forward it, send it to your friends, trading friends in various groups, wherever you want. Genuinely to those people who are interested in trading. Yeah, good night, Satyanarayan, IB Mathematics. Yeah, Madhur. So we have really worked hard on this magazine, which is the second issue, and it is released today. So let's start. Market headlines क्या बोल रही है? Market headline is saying Asia stocks fall as US Iran tension lift oil. फिर से क्रूड ऊपर जा रहा है. साउथ कोरिया की जो कोप्सी है, it has that's great Hemant, thank you so much. कोप्सी इज डाउन 5%. सो फिर से चिप्स टेक्नोलॉजी स्टॉक्स वगैरह में एक सेलिंग का माहौल है. सो फिर से जो बाजार का जो माहौल है, फिर से सेंटिमेंट्स थोड़े खराब हो रहे. लेट मी पुट माय मोबाइल ऑन साइलेंट. आई डू बट टुडे आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट. तो इंडाइसेस फ्यूचर्स में तो अभी नरमी रहेगी जो हिसाब से. यूएस फ्यूचर्स जो है 200 पॉइंट माइनस है. टेक्नोलॉजी स्टॉक्स पे ध्यान रखो सर, गैप डाउन ही खुलने वाले जो हिसाब से माहौल है. कोप्सी 5% डाउन, यूएस टेक्नोलॉजी स्टॉक्स 300-400 पॉइंट डाउन. यूरोप पूरा नेगेटिव है, जर्मनी डैक्स वगैरह. निकाय 2000 पॉइंट माइनस है और हैंगसेंग 100 पॉइंट माइनस है. अभी आपको क्या लगता है, गिफ्ट निफ्टी प्लस होगा, माइनस होगा, या व्हाट इट विल बी? डायरेक्टली मत जाओ सर. सबसे पहले यू ट्राई टू फॉर्म अ व्यू और ओपिनियन बेस्ड ऑन डेटा एंड बेस्ड ऑन फैक्ट्स. व्हाट विल गिफ्ट निफ्टी बी? So anybody? Yeah, Vijay says negative, sideways to negative. Sideways bola to 50 point minus. That's how I take one strike. So quite obvious. Gift Nifty will be trading with the cuts. So I'll go to Gift Nifty, and Gift Nifty right now is trading with the minus 200 points. It's not काफी एक अच्छा सा गिफ्ट निफ्टी में डाउन साइड है. Right? Sorry, that was weekly. I'm sorry. I'll come back to the daily charts. Yeah, Gift Nifty is trading with a cut of 190 पॉइंट्स, तो काफ़ी एक है. तो हमने देखा जो उछाल आना था आ गया. 200 डे को विपसॉ किया. अभी वापस मार्केट का माहौल खराब हो रहा है. दैट इज व्हाट आई सेड. इट्स अ साइडवेज मार्केट्स. वॉलिटिलिटी है, स्विंग अप में सस्टेन करना टफ है. इट विल बी टफ. But these sessions are only for day trading. We'll do today in detailed about various sectors in the evening. Hi Chetan. Now after this, let's go to crude. देखिए क्रूड में व्हाट वी आर सीइंग इज दैट जो सपोर्ट था क्रूड का वो तो टेस्ट कर चुका क्रूड. सो क्रूड सी दिस इज कॉल्ड ओरिजिन ऑफ द मूव. मूव कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था? यहाँ से. दैट ओरिजिन हैज बीन टेस्टेड. Now, once the origin gets tested, here the lots of things happen. Once price get oversold, and then you see a pullback or a bounce. So crude, no doubt it's rising, but I'm not expecting any runaway in crude. Yes, kabhi bhi crude. See, this was the support which crude break. Now this support is a role reversal, which is a resistance. सी एक बार मेजर सपोर्ट आइडेंटिफाई होता है ना, जिसको हम ओरिजिन बोलते हैं, जहां से मूव चालू हुआ वापस वहां पे आता है, तो एक स्पाइक्स ऑलवेज आता है. जो कि क्रूड एक बार आप $78 लेके चलो क्रूड, बट मोर और लेस क्रूड विल बी इन दिस रेंज. 78 से अभी ऊपर टफ लग रहा है टिल जियोपॉलिटिकल अगर ब्लो ऑफ आ जाता है. फिर से हार्मोज वगैरह, which we don't know today, so that would be speculation based on plain price chart 78. So that's how crude is looking. Now after this, we still don't go to the nifty, we now go to India VIX. So this is India VIX volatility. You see the way volatility again is cooling off. Now volatility देखिए हो क्या रहा है. Now I'll remove this channel. It's a within the channel. See, whenever VIX is coming to this zone, which is here, इसको हम लो वोलेटाइल जोन बोलते हैं. We call it as a low volatility. And in low volatility, what happens is prices keep on coming down till there. So VIX will go down to, I think, somewhere around 10 to 11 levels. And VIX is in a channel. So today, I think VIX will spike up, no doubt about it. Why I'm saying this is now I remove this. Let's be a big थोड़ा विक्स को डिटेलिंग करते हैं. अगर विक्स का ये लो हमने ज्वाइन कर दिया, दिस इज द चैनल इन विक्स, राइट. सो विक्स विल नाउ मूव इन दिस चैनल. नाउ हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट हैज टेस्टेड द लोअर एंड ऑफ द चैनल? Okay, two touch explain, I'll do that. Two touch constructs the channel, third touch confirms the channel. So this is a confirmed channel. So don't expect VIX to break the channel on the downside. If something negative happens, but I'm not even expecting it to break on the upside. Again, first touch and the second touch. Two touch confirms the constructs a channel, or the third touch आता वो confirm है. So this says we are not violating any of the rules or guidelines of whether it's a Dow theory or technical analysis or price action, that there is a confirmed price channel in VIX. Now, just get focused. VIX पे आप इस पे focus रखो. Now, whenever you have a channelized move, right? अगर lower end of the channel test किया, then the possibility of it reaching upper end of the channel. And VIX, if you see, कोई भी एक low रहता है, इतना strong candle रहता है, what we call it ERC, so that itself becomes a support. So yesterday, Friday's decline in VIX has brought it to a support, and quite obvious you expect a spike here. So VIX 15-16 तक जा सकता है, no doubt about it. But at the same time, VIX, you see, it will create volatility in the markets, because we are not seeing some very big blow off in the VIX, neither some big crashes in the VIX. VIX will stay, as I earlier pointed out, apply measuring techniques, which is this channel is how much? This channel, I think we saw that day. ये जो channel है, I'm sorry, I think it was 50%. काफी बड़ा है 5, because VIX base is small. Now within this channel you will see it moving. So VIX, if you see, VIX अब लेके चलो ये channel में ही रहेगा. When VIX is at a lower end of the channel, it spikes up. That's an alarm bell for you that market may decline. When VIX is coming upper end of the channel, if there is support on the Nifty, that's a signal that there could be a pullback. So now we are into again a volatile zone and not a trending zone. Please note it down. Because once you say volatility, आपकी जो strategies है, mindset है, chart देखने का तरीका है, everything has to align as per the market volatility. Got it, everybody? Yeah, Dheeraj, you are right. Dheeraj is not there today. We have got, Dheeraj would complain, we have got very less likes. See, either you like this session or don't like this session. If you like this session, please keep on giving us the likes. Yes, Abak. At least the regular one should listen to Dheeraj. After seeing this, now only we go to Nifty. Now you see, Nifty जो है ना, 50 DA में यहाँ पे. So again, I think 50 DA में छोड़ने वाला नहीं है आपको. Nifty, see, if it gaps down, then as a day trader के लिए बहुत खराब रहता. It's great for somebody who had sold calls at higher levels. This is 50-day moving average. Now, Nifty, will it come and test today itself the 50-day moving average? Looks tough. But again, you see 50-day average here के आसपास है. And you are a market which is in a swing, which means that once prices comes to around the gap, जो मैंने पहले भी मेंशन किया था, एक बार गैप आए फिर भर जाए फिर तेजी में मत रहो. So the swing high has been achieved. Now it's time for prices to test the swing low. And swing low, you can say it is origin from here or here. ये दोनों, it's okay. You can take it. So now we are heading once again back to the swing low. Simple as that. Got it, everybody? Okay, you want me to mark it with yellow? I'll do that. तो मार्केट मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा ये हाई क्रॉस करेगा. ये गैप बन गया, यहाँ पे सेलर्स है. स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल मींस सप्लाई जोन एंड 50 डीए में है. एंड दिस नाउ because see there is a possibility of an head and shoulder also developing, so that will talk today evening, which could be not good for the markets. Right. As we said, we are, if you remember, we had said we are into this leg. Can you all remember the gap and all? So I'll not reiterate. We'll go straight to this thing, intraday. Now, so we'll go to 15 minutes. Sorry, we start with 60. In 60 minutes, you have a gap over here and you have a low over here. So these are the two support levels, but I think the first one will get filled. Now market is gap to gap. And on the upside, can you see this gap was there? अभी तो ये gap के पहले का ही resistance intact है. So market will remain here for at least 2 to 3 days. If it breaks down, it may. Now, see, sometimes you wonder ऐसा strong crash क्यों आ जाता है, ऐसा spikes क्यों आ जाता है. See, for that, you can only get those answers from what I say is, see, I have recorded. Please make sure you watch the momentum trading system. It's very relevant because you see, support ke paas aaya, and if things are not bad, sentiments are negative, it can break the supports. The only way to spot a reversal from support is a crossover from multiple moving average. So I'll just show you what is this. Yeah, I do that in tips and tricks. So there's a one particular theme which I have covered in tips and tricks was this: how to write intraday trends with EMA. So make sure you read it. It's a set of 5 averages. Why I have used it, I have given the logic. So if support is tested, only a crossover will say that there will be a strong rally. So you can use it on 5 and 15 minutes. Given the volatility, I apply this trading system, which I have documented and also given in the video. Please make sure you go through it, which is called how to trade intraday trends with EMA. This is called ribbon, or somebody calls change of sequence from bulls to bears and bears to bull. I have posted the link out there. Make sure you go through it. It will be of a great help to you given to trade the volatility. So this is how the setup is for today, and likely the market will gap down somewhere around here. It is showing, और ये gap play में आ जाएगा आज. So this is Nifty. कुछ ज़्यादा analyze करने का नहीं है. The swing has changed to down. Today I will do it in elaborate the EOD section when we meet today in the evening at 3:45. So after this, let's go to Bank Nifty. No doubt there was going to be cut. 2400 का लेवल आज आ जाएगा. बट बहुत बार आपको ऐसा लगता है क्या ये लेवल से बाउंस कर जाएगा मार्केट, क्या ये लेवल से साइडवेज रहेगा, और क्या ये लेवल से नीचे आएगा. अगर बाउंस आना है तो देयर हैज टू बी अ पॉजिटिव क्रॉसओवर इन एमएमए. विदाउट दैट बाउंस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. गॉट इट एवरीबडी? So that's why I have given you the link. Make sure you go through it. After that, I'll go to Bank Nifty. Cut is there. There is no doubt about it. So now Bank Nifty is relatively stronger than Nifty, but देखिए relative stronger has also come back to ये gap भर गया Bank Nifty का. It has come to resistance. So I'm not expecting Bank Nifty to cross this high, which is at 58,581. On the downside देखिए 200 DA में अभी भी play में आ रहा है. So 200 DA में on Bank Nifty is somewhere around here. कि आज बैंक निफ्टी 700 पॉइंट नीचे 200 डीएमए टेस्ट करेगा, ड्रॉप अ लाइन ओवर दैट। देखिए मार्केट की वॉलिटिलिटी को आप गेस मत करिए, नहीं इतना नीचे नहीं जाएगा, फाइन। आफ्टर दैट आई गो टू द आवरली चार्ट्स। देखिए ये जो गैप है वहां पे 200 डीएमए, the 200 DMA is at or around the gap. So this is going to be your, I would take this entire gap area and your support, which is 57,400 आसपास का एक level है. So this is how on a 60 minutes your bank nifty is looking. Now let's go to 15 minutes. So on a 15 minutes the gap starts from here. ये basing बहुत बड़ा है. So these are all pivot levels. Good पिवट लेवल्स मीन्स चाइनीज क्वालिटी सपोर्ट। मार्केट में अगर स्विंग अप है तो ये होल्ड करते, अदरवाइज इनको टाइम भी नहीं लगता ब्रेक करने के लिए। सो 57,800 आई लुक्स मार्केट में बैंक निफ्टी में गैप डाउन अबव दैट लेवल, बट सिंस पिवट्स आर देयर लेट्स टेक अ नोट ऑफ इट एंड मार्क अ बैंड अराउंड हियर। Pivots are very fragile support levels in context of trend. So this is how the setup for bank nifty is looking. See there is a big gap also यहाँ पे 57,500 पे, गैप पे एक लाइन ड्रॉप कर दो। नाउ अगर आप या धीरज अगर स्विंग अप है तो पिवट्स होल्ड करते हो, रेफरेंस पॉइंट स्टॉप लॉस का जैसे नरमी आती है लेके चलो, पिवट सपोर्ट टूटने वाला ही है। सो दैट इज हाउ बैंक निफ्टी इज पोजिशन। So Monday you are going to see very very markets with a red cut. That's what, और ये channel भी बना लो, market channel. Yes, I think we are all set. Pivots भी है, channels भी है, patterns भी है, swing भी है. We have got all required. Plus if you think कोई भी एक support आ गया, don't blindly follow the supports. Apply the MMA and make sure you follow it. And once again, today we have released the magazine, which is Trading Titan issue number 2. So if you want to download, make sure I'll just send you the link. So two links I have sent you today. Make sure you look at both the links. So this is the Trading Titan magazine, volume number 2 today. And it's so important. The magazine has been released by our CEO, Mr. Vijay Kupa. Make sure you read it. The first time anybody has made such an attempt to address the technical part, the options part, and the investment parts, plus the trading part. So that's all from my side, friends. We'll meet again in the evening at 3:45 and do detailing today. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time. Watch the session once again. Levels are known and volatility will be there. If you're expecting a pullback, बहुत नीचे खुल गया, bounce आएगा का नहीं, wait for MMA crossover. Or please keep on applying your VWAP today. So that's all from my side. Thanks. Have a nice day.